It's a sunny but cool autumn day. It's a sunny but cool autumn day. It's a very, very sunny but cool autumn day. So come along and sing our song. It's a very, very sunny but cool autumn day. We are in the small town of Lake Placid, Florida. Lake Placid, Florida is known for the American Clown Museum School. It's here in front of me. And this is our famous water tower. It says Lake Placid on it. I am out here walking along Interlake Boulevard, checking the town out. I noticed that the different vehicles all have a bit of a buzz to them, but they're not disturbing me. Everything makes a little bit of sound, doesn't it? Looking both ways. It's a one-way road. South Central Florida, USA. Hey, 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 USA. Thanks for joining me. We're gonna keep walking. It's a cool but sunny autumn day. It's a cool but sunny autumn day. It's a very, very sunny but kind of cool autumn day. So come along and sing this song. It's a kind of cool but very sunny day. Doodly-doo. Thank you for singing along with me. Now in Florida, we don't have the very cool weather like the rest of the place sees. The rest of USA sees a lot of cooler weather. We only see mildly cool weather. So while I say cool weather, and I am wearing my long sleeved shirt today, and it's clearly autumn with my little spider here, cool to me means 70, 60 degrees. Really, it doesn't ever get much cooler than 60 degrees here in this South Central Florida town. But happy autumn.